Hi everyone, just now I already teach you how to convert infix to postfix, right? Now here is the magic begin. We are going to see how this number will create a perfect calculation. So first thing we need is we need a stack. We need a stack. By this stack, right, we are going to store number, okay? So let's look at how do we solve this. So let's prepare a stack, a nice beautiful stack, okay? Wow! And then we are going to put 10.3 inside, okay? 10.3. And then next number is, here, I'm saying here, 14. And then 3.2. And then we reach here. If there's an operator sign, right, what you are going to do is, you pop out the number, so you write it down, 3.2, and then you're going to pop a number again, and then plus operator, so the answer is 17.2. Then after, what you are going to do is, when you get the answer, right, you're going to push it into the stack, okay? So it's 17.2. And next we get a multiplication operator, and then we take out, we pop this one, right, 17.2, and then we multiply with 10.3, okay, 10.3. So the answer would be, take out your calculator, 10.3 times 17.2 is 177.16. 177.16. So we're going to push it again. So the result is 177.16. After that, what is the next number? Our next number is number 5. So we push it 2, 4, and then we meet a multiplication operator. So we are going to pop this again, pop, and then 4 will be in here, and then we pop again, and then 2 will be in here. So the answer will be add, and then we push it again. So push it into here, and then we are getting number 3. And then after number 3, we push it into the stack, right? Then we got division in here. So when we got division, right, so we pop 3, and then we write 3 down, and then we pop add, we write add down, and then followed by the division. So add divide 3 is roughly 2.7, and then we push it back 2.7, and then the next operator is addition. So 2.7, pop it, then you get 2.7. I should write in here 2.7, and then we pop it again, 5, so you get 5, addition, right? So it's 7.7. Then we push it again, 7.7, and then lastly is division, so it's 177.16 divided by 7.7. So the result is, the answer roughly is about 23.01. Wow, so amazing, right? Now let's look at second example, right? Second example, just now we counted this one, right? So let's look at 10.3. So when we get 10.3, so we push it back to the stack. 10.3, 14, 3.2, and then we get an addition. So we pop it up, we pop 3.2, and then we write down 3.2, and then we pop it again, 14. Then we are going to write 14, and then addition sign, right? So the answer is 17.2. So we're going to push 17.2 back. We push it, and then this is a multiplication sign. We use 17.2 times with 10.3. We pop it, pop it. So the answer will be 10.3 times 17.2 is 177.16. 177.16, okay? So we push it, 177.16. Also you push, right? So we push 5 into it, and then we push 2, we push 4, and then there's a multiplication sign again in here. So we are going to use, we pop 4, and then we pop 2, the answer will be add, then we have to push it. So when we push add into here, then the next operator will be addition. So we pop it again, add, and then we are going to push, we are going to pop 5, and then our operator is addition, so will be 13. So we push it again. So the next thing is we are going to push 3, and then there's an addition. So we pop 3, and then we pop 13. The operator is addition. So the answer will be 16. So we push it. So it becomes 16. And finally, we pop 16. And we pop 177.16. And divide it, we get 177.16 divided by 16 is 11.07. Wow, so amazing, right? Yeah, with that we have finished our tutorial of part 1 and part 2. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and I see you next time.